Kumomoka kwa nyumba ino ya gorofa 4 mwena wa South Sea guko Nairobi ni undu rarahurire ndereti igi ukinyaniru wa miako icigo-ini itiganite bururi-ini wira muiganu uri ati umomoki uyu nduguthiraga WATIRA. Riu na Ataramu na engineers a WAKI kuma bodi itiganite guku bururi-ini ni manyitanire hari kwaria na mwari umwe makiuga miako miingi rugamite yo etereire muthi wayo wa kungauka kuona ndikinyaniire gukorwo igiikarwo ni andu.
We talk about collapse because that's dramatic. I want you to go and investigate something we call sick buildings. How many buildings actually have daylight? How many buildings have fresh air?
We call upon the following. Number one, a multi-stakeholder task force composed of professionals to investigate systemic failures. And this includes structural design and supervision, construction methodology and sequencing, quality assessment of materials used, approval, inspection and enforcement breakdown.
Kuringana na president wa ngwataniro ya shoria miako George Dege, ona riboti iri yathanirwo gukinyanirio ni president wa hukabere Uhuru Kenyatta mwaka-ini wa 2020 ni wira muiganu kuona yonanirie ati no gicunjĩ gĩa 15 harĩ 100 kia miako ya guku Nairobi ikinyaniire guikarwo ni aikari kuria miako iria ingi yari na magesha ma miakire.
The issue is dire and something has to be done, and perhaps this collapse of buildings are wake-up calls. The only problem is, as engineers say, there have been a number. Have we learned a lesson?
The National Building Inspectorate took a sample of about 15,000 buildings, and they told us only 15% of those buildings they inspected were safe. Just a sample. And about 8% were fair. So you're talking about the whole lot of the others being unsafe buildings. So the rot is deep.
Thina ungi wiyumiritie na njira nene ni thina wa ungumania uria urerekana kurumia na miri makiria wabici-ini cia kuhitukia miako thirikari-ini cia kaunti. Riu Ataramu aya makiuga haha niho thina munene wambagiriria na miako muthiega kweta kinyaniire.
Can NCA, the National Construction Authority, blacklist all contractors who have issues? Make it public. Let us know who are those directors. Can we be guaranteed by Nairobi County, one, they will curb the corruption that developers are using to circumvent the law?
Kuona miako minene na makorofa makoretwo magikunuka ta makuno makiri icigo-ini imwe cia guku Nairobi. Ataramu ya magatariria ati haha niho mbugi ikuire muriha amu guku nikuo ungumania wiyumbikite. Ataramu anene makihuthika ni ene miako gukungia wara kuhitukio kwa miako yao magitiga Kenya ugwati-ini munene.
These few consultants have been bought by developers and they are colluding with county officials to make sure that everyone else doesn't do the job.
Professionals are not really interested in working in the counties because of what is going on in the counties, the intimidation, and what they're being forced to do, and so on and so forth.
Kuringana na Sylvia Kasanga kuma ngwataniro ya shoria miako ya The Association of Architects, ona mubangira wa tauni itiganite na micii minene ni undu ungi wagararitwo riu ene miako makiaga guthingatithia haria maraka miako yao na muthia miako ene gacungiririo kumomoka.
Any developer can build anything anywhere. Zero plan. As long as you have some money, you go and get an approval for anything anywhere. You can build even a house in between two industries that are removing black smoke.
Harunia Kameme TV, Retoro Koni Bataru wa Mwagi.